Hello, creative gems. Welcome to Creativity. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful high-end looking wall mirror. I call it a swirl mirror. I will list out all the materials, and if you would like, you can also visit my blog site at creativdiy.com for all the details, including tips and tricks. I also have links to my Amazon store where you can purchase some of my favorite craft tools and materials if you are unable to find them at your local dollar store. If you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would also love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. To begin, I will show you the materials. All the materials were found at Dollar Tree unless otherwise stated. We will need one large silver charger plate. We will also need a round mirror. But in lieu of an actual mirror today, I will be using some mirrored contact paper instead. This contact paper is also available from Amazon and is a great substitute for an actual mirror if you don't have any on hand. We will also need around 3 packs of silver plastic spoons, some clear gem stickers or loose flat back ones, whatever you have on hand. We will also need a string of silver beaded necklace and some rhinestone ribbon. The one I'm using is available from Amazon. We will also need a couple of Christmas ornament hooks, some E6000 and some glue. My E6000 was purchased from my local hardware store and the glue gun from Amazon. Now to begin the build process. First, we turn the charger plate upside down. Then we take a Christmas ornament hook and bend it into shape. You can see here I have decided to use 2 hooks instead of 1 just to ensure the hook is extra secure. Once the hook is bent into shape, lie it flat against the back of the charger plate and apply some E6000 and some glue to it. The E6000 will give it a permanent hold when the glue is fully cured. The hot glue will quickly dry so we can move on to the rest of the project. Here you can see that I have put extra reinforcements on the hook by applying a strong tape as well. When the swirl mirror is completed, you can decide for yourself whether you need the extra reinforcement, but I believe it will be very lightweight anyhow. Next, turn the plate right side up and trace around the inner portion of the plate so you form a circle. We will cut out the circle and then use it as a template to cut a piece of the contact paper into the same shape and size. Once the contact paper is cut to shape, remove the backing and place it slowly onto the center of the charger plate. If you make a mistake or would like to reposition the contact paper, you can easily do so by gently removing it and reapplying it. This is the beauty of this contact paper because you just can't go wrong. Once the contact paper is positioned and properly applied, we apply the rhinestone ribbon to the outer rim of the contact paper to form a border between the contact paper and the rest of the charger plate. For this step, we can use hot glue. Next, we apply a second border with a string of silver beaded necklace. This additional embellishment, of course, is optional, but if you like more bling factor like I do, this will definitely amp it up. Then we take the silver plastic spoons and snap off the round part of the spoon from the arm part. Set the round part aside for a future project as we will only be using the arm part for this project. For my mirror, I end up using 66 spoons in total, which is just under 3 packs. You may need more or less depending on how much of a swirl you prefer to make and how closely or far apart you place the spoon arms on the charger plate. Once we have enough spoon arms, place them around the charger plate and adjust them until you're happy with the design. Once you are happy with the design, then it's time to place them onto the charger plate with some hot glue. As you can see here, I have created 3 sections of spoon arms, angling them to create the swirl design. As I glued down the last few remaining spoon arms, I realized that I still wanted more bling effect. So at this point, I decide I'm going to add some more clear gems to the plate. For yours, you can embellish it as much or as little as you prefer. And there you have it. For under $5, we have created a gorgeous high-end looking wall mirror. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.